See the bats, yeah. Certainly not too concerned about us.
Now, many years of seeing humans no longer threats, no problem. As long as we keep distance. Things that might scare them is some people use their pointers in wrong way. Instead, next to it, they go directly. So a few occasions, the orangutan are a bit surprised with that, and they're gone. Yeah, and they start doing a squeezing sound. Yeah, although they don't have any tails, but since they have 4 hands, and you can see orangutan in the wild, they use all their 4 hands, so it's like ambidextrous. So they're really good with it. Yeah. Yes.
Foot structure, isn't it?
Yes. Well, they have a flexible limb also. That explains they can do perfect split and easy to grab stuff. And their feet is like our, like mobile thumb and stuff like that. See how it can grab, and they have longer fingers.
Yeah, but their feet are the same as our wrists.
Yes.
More mobile.
Yes. And when we shake hands, our strongest grip is 90 psi.
Yep.
Average 70. Orangutan 600. 600 psi.
Wow.
So no problem.
They grab you, you stay grabbed.
Oh yes, yes.
Wow.